Hello, it's Sheila back from Thompson Leisure. Before I get stuck in, I just want to let you know if you want me to do a specific vehicle walkthrough, please let me know. I have no problem choosing them. I just pick them at random, so if there's something you want to see, I can do it for you. This one today is our Burstner 745 brand new edition. This one is an automatic. Now we have this in stock for you to view. We have new ones arriving in July as well, but if you wanted to see one sooner, we have this one that you can come and see. Let's go take a look at it. So of course, this comes with factory fitted 16-inch alloy wheels, just like the others. I don't know if you've seen the others, but just like the others. You have your barbecue point, your external barbecue point, your outside TV point, your full length awning and awning light. Real nice at night time, that there one. You also have your garage. Now we do have a lot of stuff in this one. That's your removable carpets and stuff, but you'll get a better look at it around the other side. You have your reverse camera. And the other side of your garage in here as well. And that's just the wee seat for your passengers. If you want to see how they're plugged in, let me know and I can send over a video of that as well. Let's go have a look inside. So this one is actually a 4-berth and 5 belt. You've probably seen the passenger tier, and that's for in here. If you want to see how that's put together, let me know and I can send you over a video. The other 2 belts are here and here, and of course you would remove the table to access them. Come on up and I'll show you the dash over here. So as I said, this is a automatic, so you have your 9-speed gearbox, you have your multimedia system, your reverse camera, DAB radio, all the works in here. You also have your cab aircon, your USB ports. Of course, you have your leather steering wheel, and it's a multi-functioning steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity. Of course, this comes with a cruise control, speed limiter, you name it, it's got it. Now, of course, this Burstner comes with Remus blinds across your doors and your windscreen as well. Now, if you've seen my videos, you know what I'm about to show you. It is one of my favourite features, so I'm going to show it again. If you haven't, maybe this will impress you. Burstner has this great feature as such, and it is power lines that go across here. Now, they go across the whole living area. Sometimes they go into the back as well. How it works is you have your light, you just switch it off, you can unhook it, and you can hook it on to another power line. You can actually buy other attachments like USB charging points, different things off Amazon. Second you hook it in, on it goes. How great's that? So you probably see that there's a TV in here. This motorhome comes with a TV bracket, not the TV itself unfortunately, but it can be added. The TV bracket's factory fitted, so you can get the TV yourself. I will show you your first and second berth in a wee second. It's just above you, but first of all I'm going to show you the kitchen. So of course you have your 3 gas hob and your combined oven and grill. Over here you have your full fridge and freezer box. Your fridge, that's not even a word. So if you want to come on over here, I can show you your first electric drop down bed, and that just comes straight down. You'll see there is plenty of light in this motorhome, you know, lots of sunlights and skylights and different things to kind of bring that whole brightness in. And then straight away it just goes back up again. Such a handy feature in an electric bed. It means you continue to have that wide living area as well. You know, it's out of the way. Surprise time. Now we're going to open that back door. So this is your second lounge area. So it's lovely and spacious in here. Real nice feature. You know, just a nice way to escape. Little man cave as such. Of course, there's another TV bracket in here, so TV doesn't come with it, just a disclaimer there, but the bracket does come, and there is a TV aerial on the motorhome as well. You can fold off this bed so that, or the table, so that it's not in the way. And of course, here is your third and fourth berth above me, another electric drop down bed. So you have so much space to play with. And for this one, it's just a matter of coming down like this. So here we have, technically this is the master suite. And you can see this is a pretty large bed, you know. I am average height and plenty of room, just in case you wanted to see me lying down. Now, of course, you have tons of storage back here on this end, and then as well on this end. Nice wee shoe shelf for you there, or whatever you want to put on it, really. So there we have it, our brand new Burstner 745 Lyseo Harmony line. This one's an automatic, as I mentioned. If you'd like to come and see it, that's not a problem. Just contact us. If you'd like to know more, you can also contact us. To contact me directly, it's marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 028 9269 3999 or drop a comment, message us on Facebook, message us on YouTube, whatever way you want to get in touch with us, that's 100%. I'm going to go watch some TV now. See you later.